What kind of feedback have you received from VAIOT users or the wider cryptocurrency community regarding the implementation of zk-SNARKs?
I'll hop back into this, Simon. So the average response from our users and wider cryptocurrency communities towards what we've been doing has been positive. Of course, a lot of people asking exactly what a zk-SNARK is, but overall excited. Our users appreciate, of course, the level of enhanced privacy that zk-SNARKs bring. They've loved how we can verify and share contract details without giving away too much info. It's given them a sense of security that we are as astute and private as we claim to be, actually showing these bits and pieces that we are integrated into our development process. The crypto community is always excited about innovative uses of any technology, and our use of zk-SNARKs is exactly that. We receive commendations for not only adopting this, but also doing it in a way that enhances functionality of our existing platform, as opposed to trying to reinvent the wheel, and we have a totally different car, per se. Both users and observers have noticed that our use of zk-SNARKs distinguishes us from many projects in the space in this regard. This uniqueness, of course, is a strength, making us stand out in this crowded market, not just among AI projects, but in general. We've also received positive feedback on our educational efforts. We've been running a zk-SNARK campaign this week, which I implore you guys to check out on our Twitter. Also, the Medium article, we prepared there. Users have expressed appreciation for all of the maybe redundant information we've been giving out over this week and last week, but we definitely have more people understanding what a zk-SNARK is and why it's important, and how it's not just another part of the whole zk fad that's been happening these last couple months. That said, we're not resting on this alone. We're constantly seeking feedback and looking for ways to improve, so we can ensure to deliver the best possible service for our users.
I see, Jacob. And with increasing regulation in the cryptocurrency market, although recently, yesterday, XRP has not been classed as a security, so they won their case, which is great for crypto users and crypto projects as a whole. How does VAIOT plan to navigate issues around user privacy and governmental scrutiny, and how does that relate to the zk-SNARKs implementation for VAIOT's AI solutions?
Well, once again, we happen to be in a pretty comfortable position, privileged even, when it comes to regulation. Like I said, we were the first DFA regulated digital assets issuer in the EU. So we spent the last 3 years working in regulated environments, from top to bottom. When it comes to protecting privacy and governmental scrutiny and being under the microscope, it's business as usual for us. We really won't have to worry about anything going into the future, which is definitely a weight off of our shoulders as a team. The fact that we were regulated makes us think of privacy once again as a default for our solutions. Since Maltese public institutions are closely monitoring VAIOT basically all the time, we make sure that all of our solutions live up to whatever standards are placed upon us. In fact, we recently just finished an internal audit, which we cannot release yet, but that will be coming here in the near future. The idea to implement zk-SNARKs, though, into our AI solutions is once again just a dedication to that. zk-SNARKs allows us to provide proof while keeping things simple, safe, and effective.
I see, Jacob. And what's the marketing plans into the future for VAIOT? How are you going to onboard more users and promote the VAIOT ecosystem in general?
Well, we do have a number of marketing initiatives and plans here going in for the rest of the year. For a lot of this year, we've been focusing on spreading our roots. We've listed several exchanges. We've been nose to the grindstone every day for literally the whole year, putting our AI legal assistant together and getting it as close to market ready as possible. Now, I definitely can't say a for sure date yet, but we are coming very, very close to being able to let people test our AI legal assistant. We've actually done a lot of internal testing ourselves. It is in a usable state, just not public yet. And in light of all that, we've been in contact with, let's say, several important sources in the DeFi space, Web3 space, that have been interested in our technologies. We were even invited by Cara de Finance a couple months ago to their summit in Zurich, where I actually got to talk about what VAIOT is and how it will be changing in the future. And we had to speak to a whole room of old blockchain experts, VCs, the whole nine yards. So from this, we are definitely looking for some bigger exchanges, bigger notoriety coming towards the end of the year. But I'll probably get in trouble. I've already said too much.
Okay, let's open up these spaces to the audience. Let's see, we've got Aisha here. You had a question for Jacob or Mixower. Go ahead.
Yeah, thanks, Glenn. Can you explain the specific features or capabilities of VAIOT's legal AI assistant that make it well suited for handling legal matters beyond what a general purpose AI model like ChatGPT 4 can offer?
Yeah, so our platform is already able to handle multiple templates of legal documents, whatever you can think about. We can handle services, we can handle job agreements, and much more. And this has been implemented by our own machine learning algorithms. When it comes to ChatGPT, this is only a tool for us that we use additionally to complement our own algorithms. And with all of these documents, you've got a lot of use cases around the world that you could use. We've got for every document, we've got a feature where a real lawyer actually signs your zk-SNARK proof. So it's not like you just get a proof that you don't know what you can do with it, but it's actually like legally obliged, a legal document that you can go to court with, for example. I don't know if that answers your question. I hope it does.